Welcome back to one of my next vlogs. So today vlog is going to be about a headband wig. Right. So I will be making a headband wig. Yes, and things that you need when you're making a headband wig is a dome cap. Normally use black, but I couldn't get any black, so I had to use this one, which is fine. I need this, it's not a need, it's optional if you want to put one of these clip here and you need this scissors. Type of hair, so right, that is that. So let's make our headband wig. We need a canvas head as well. So this is mine, right? So let's make our headband wig. So here is the dome cap. This is the headband, so I use the pin to hold it in place so I can stitch the headband here on the front of the dome cap. See it, guys? So you attach it from here to here, here to here. So here I'm attaching the headband to the dome cap, and guys, don't sew the elastic band part, right? They just sew the seam that. Okay, need elastic band for the stretching. Okay, hold it set. So ensure that it is attached to let it need to go through the elastic band over the elastic band. Stitching here, right? So coming up. So in the middle, let me left within that, you know, I get hungry. So I decided to make a little meal. Yes, because for those who new to my channel, if y'all don't know, my little hands are blessed. You know, I'm a hairstylist. I can cook, I can bake, I can do just about any little thing. And say gifting. Thanks be to God. So put a little flour over this, so that is regular flour with wheat flour. You know me without child things, so I no fancy me. I want to eat healthy people. So I buy wheat flour, and that is saltfish, and this a little jeng them will go in it. Right, and over here I have some sweet potatoes and a sweet corn right there. Yes, there's a little small settings. Yeah, me add a little ketchup to my saltfish when me I cook it up. It brings up the taste for me. I don't know for others. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. And for all those who have already subscribed, I thank you so much for supporting. Yes, it is truly appreciated, guys. I appreciate every single like, share, comment, subscribers. Yes, I do appreciate them. Yes, so when I look a bit done, me show how it look. Yes. There you have it. Yes, and some green juice to wash it down. There you have it. It's a new way, guys. It's not going anywhere. It's going on my head. It's mine. Really personally for me. But don't be afraid to reach out to me to make yours, or what this video can inspire you to sit and make your own. So do it yourself headband maker. So guys, here is the finishing and the look of my headband wig, guys. Oh, I love it. This is the look, guys, and this is a synthetic ear. Yes, so you know you can use any headband of your choice. Yes, so you know when you have headband, you have to buy a whole heap of headband for your wig. So guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I thank you for the shares, the like, the support, guys. I remember you can always reach out to me to make your headband look, and I hope this video inspire you to make your very own headband wig. Okay, guys, and thank you so much. Guys, comment and tell me right, so comment down below and tell me how well you like with this fine piece. Every style, bring yourself in every style. Never hit me. So bring that watch the rest of the video from my channel. I'm videos coming soon. Yes. Thank you, guys.